Hello students, welcome to the video lecture 4 on the topic Work and Heat by Professor Prashant S. Shedbalkar, Mechanical Engineering Department, VSM SRKIT, Pania. So in the previous class, we have studied why moving boundary work is called as the PDB work. So in the today's class, now we are going to study the PDV work, that is P into dV work for various quasi-static processes. So first we will study for constant pressure process. This constant pressure process, it is also called as isobaric process or isopistic process. So all the three meanings are same. So we have drawn here pressure and a volume diagram. So on the y-axis we have we're plotting pressure, and on the x-axis we are plotting the volume. So as pressure is constant means, so here pressure you can see here from state 1 to state 2, pressure is constant here. So we have drawn a horizontal line here. So corresponding to that, so if I will draw a vertical line, so this it is reading as V1 at state 1. So volume at state 1, it is V1. So the system at state 2, it is reading volume V2. So for constant pressure process, how we are going to write the work done for constant pressure process? So integration of 1 is to 2. This is the normal equation, P into dV. So where pressure is constant here, pressure P is constant. So P I have taken outside. So integration of dV, it will be V. So 1 is to 2. So P into this will be V2 minus V1. So the work done W for constant pressure process, it will be P into V2 minus V1. Now coming to the next process, that is constant volume process. It is also called as the isochoric process. So for constant volume, same again here on the y-axis we have plotted pressure, on the x-axis volume we have plotted. So as pressure is constant, so we have drawn here pressure. Sorry, constant volume. So for volume we are drawing the horizontal line because volume is constant here. So as it is moving from state 1 to state 2 here, so corresponding to that, if we draw a horizontal line, so it is reading pressure P1 and it is reading pressure P2 on the y-axis. So now again, how we will calculate work done? W is equal to integration of P into dV. So as it is a constant volume process, there will be a no change in volume. Volume is constant, but still we will integrate it. So integration of P into dV. So here as volume is constant, then definitely it will be 0. V will be 0. Then definitely this work done W will be 0 only. No necessary of calculating here. Or we can still do the integration P into dV. P integration of dV will be V2 minus V1, because that is, it is a constant volume process. So volume at state 1 and volume at state 1, both the volumes at state 1 and state 2 are same. So therefore this will be 0 only. So therefore work done W will be equal to 0 for constant volume process. You just remember, whenever in the problem if he mentions for a constant volume process, or isochoric process, work done will be 0. No necessary of calculating. So next process we will study polytropic process. So this polytropic process, it usually occurs during the actual compression and expansion processes of a gas, and pressure and volume are often related by this equation, PV to the power n equal to C. So this is the gas which is enclosed in a piston and a cylinder arrangement, and this polytropic process, it is usually occurs during the actual compression and expansion processes of the gas. And this pressure, so whenever the gas is compressed, its volume is going to decrease, pressure is going to increase. Whenever the gas is expanded, the pressure is going to decrease and volume is going to increase. So that pressure and volume are often related by this equation, PV to the power n equal to C. You can see here. So as the gas is expanded, you can see here this pressure also goes on decreasing, and the volume of the gas, it also goes on increasing. So this is the expansion process of the gas. So if the gas is compressed, you can see here the pressure of the gas is also increasing and the volume of the gas is also decreasing here. So here we have taken the example of the expansion process of the gas. So this line, this indicates PV to the power n equal to C, where C is constant. So if the system is moving from state 1 to state 2 for a process, so we can write this equation in this form also, P1 V1 to the power n equals to P2 V2 to the power n, because PV to the power n equal to C only. At constant, we can write this equation in this form, where n and C are constants, and a process of this kind are called as the polytropic process. So now we will derive the general expression for the polytropic process, that is for work done. So the pressure for the polytropic process, so how we are going to write the equation, that is PV to the power n equal to C. With this equation, let me write the equation for pressure in the polytropic process. Therefore, P is equals to C divided by V to the power n. I have taken P outside here. So now P equal to, I will take this denominator to the numerator. So then this will be C into V to the power minus n. So here in denominator it is V to the power n. If I will take this to the numerator, then this will be V to the power minus n. I will call this equation as equation 1. So now we will substitute this P value in this equation. So now how we will calculate work done? Work done, W is equals to integration of 1 is to 2 P into dV is our equation for calculating the work done. So W equal to integration of 1 is to 2, P is substituted here. Instead of P, I am substituting this value, C into V to the power minus n into dV. So this expression is in this formula. So let me elaborate this equation. So W equal to C is a constant, I will take outside. So integration of 1 is to 2. So integration of V to the power minus n into dV. So this is in this form equation. So x to the power n into dx. So how we are going to write integration of x into n dx? We are going to write the equation in this form, x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So this is the standard formula. If we are going to integrate integration of x to the power n into dx, so this is our standard formula, how to calculate this, x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 in this form it is. So in that form only I will write this equation, v to the power minus n plus 1 divided by minus n plus 1. So this we should not add it. So this integration, it should not be added here. So in the square bracket 1 is to 2 here. So W equals to, so this integration, it should not be here. So I have taken this outside, C divided by 1 minus L. So this we should not, this I have written here extra, cancel it. So C divided by 1 minus L. So now I will write this equation, I will simplify this equation, V2 to the power minus n plus 1 minus P1 to the power minus n plus 1. So now W equals to, where C is equals to, C I can, here V2 term is there, so in order to simplify the term, so already we have written P1 V1 to the power n equal to P2 V2 to the power n equal to C. So instead of C, here see this equation I have written here, P1 V1 to the power n equal to P2 V2 to the power n equal to C. That C value only I will substitute this. C is nothing but P2 V2 to the power n into V2 to the power minus n plus 1 minus this C value I will substitute here, P1 V1 to the power n into V1 to the power minus n plus 1. We can see here plus n minus n gets cancelled. So here also plus n minus n gets cancelled. So my equation remains P2 into V2 minus P1 into V1 divided by 1 minus n. So this is my general expression for the work done during the polytropic process. Now let us calculate this PdV work, P into dV work for isothermal process. So for isothermal process, how we are writing the equation P into V equal to C. So here also same procedure. For now I will take P outside. P is equals to C divided by V. So normal our equation for work done, W is equals to integration of 1 is to 2 P into dV. So integration of 1 is to 2 P I will substitute by C by V into dV. So here C is constant. I will take C outside. Integration of 1 is to 2 dV by V. So W equals to C. Integration of dV by V, it will be log V. In the square bracket 1 is to 2. So W equals to C log of V2 by V1. That is nothing but log V2 minus log V1. So instead of log M by N, it is nothing but log M by N. Log M minus log N, I can write in this form, log M by N. So that only I have written. W equal to C log V2 by V1. So C already in the beginning only we have written PV equal to C. If there are two states, the system is moving from state 1 to state 2, then easily I can write P1 V1 is equals to P2 V2, or we can write P1 by P2 is equals to V2 by V1 also. So now instead of C here, this C I will replace it by P1 V1 log of V2 by V1, or this W equals to P1 V1 log of V2 by V1, I will replace it by P1 by P2. So both equations are correct. So depending on the condition of the problem, I can use both these equations for calculating the work done during the isothermal process. Now last one, we will write the equations for adiabatic process, that is P into dV work, if the problem is based on the adiabatic process. For adiabatic process, we are going to write the equation PV to the power gamma equal to C, where gamma is equals to, it is adiabatic index and it is greater than 1. Always it is greater than 1 adiabatic index. So gamma is greater than 1. The same procedure we are applying here also, how we have calculated for polytropic process. So PV to the power gamma equal to C. So let me write the equation for P here. P equal to C divided by V to the power gamma equals to C into V to the power minus gamma. I will take this to the numerator. So here also we can write similar P1 V1 to the power gamma is equals to P2 V2 to the power gamma equal to C. We can write this equation in this form because we have written PV to the power gamma equal to only C, adiabatic process. Then if the system is moving from state 1 to state 2, we can write this equation in this form. So now we know the standard formula, W equals to integration of 1 is to 2 P into dV. So I will substitute this P value in this equation here. W equals to integration of 1 is to 2 P value I will substitute it by C into V to the power minus gamma into dV as it is. So C is constant. I will take C outside. Integration of 1 is to 2 V to the power minus gamma into dV. So it is in the form of integration of x to the power n into dx form. So we are going to simplify this equation, W equal to C. So if I will integrate this, I am going to get V to the power minus gamma plus 1 divided by minus gamma plus 1, square bracket 1 is to 2 here. So same procedure how we have applied for a polytropic process. So here this 1 minus gamma I will take outside, C divided by 1 minus gamma. So this will be V2 minus V1. So V2 to the power minus gamma plus 1 minus V1 to the power minus gamma plus 1. So now here the same procedure I have written here. See here, now this I will multiply here, C into V2 to the power minus gamma plus 1 minus C into V1 minus gamma plus 1. So W is equals to 1 divided by gamma here. So W equals to 1 divided by gamma I have taken outside. C is nothing but P2 V2 to the power gamma. Here V2 term is there, so I have taken here P2 V2 into V2 to the power minus gamma plus 1 minus, here C I will substitute the value as P1 V1 to the power gamma into V1 to the power minus gamma plus 1. So W equals to 1 divided by gamma. So here also again the powers get added here. Plus gamma minus gamma gets cancelled. So my equation it will remain P2 V2 minus, here also plus gamma minus gamma gets cancelled, P1 V1. So W equals to, see here, W equals to 1 divided by 1 minus gamma P2 V2 minus P1 V1. This is one equation, or we can write this equation in this form also. W equals to P1 V1 minus P2 V2 divided by gamma minus 1. I can write the equation in this form also. See, W equals to P2 V2 minus P1 V1 divided by 1 minus gamma. So if I want to write the equation P1 V1 minus P2 V2 in this form, so here instead of 1 minus gamma, here again it is going to change here gamma minus 1, because minus minus gets cancels outside here. W equal to P1 V1 minus P2 V2 divided by gamma minus 1. So we can write, we can calculate this work done W for a adiabatic process in both the manners. No problem.